Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Learndash versus Moodle comparison video and we'll go over each of their features. Now, when it comes to Learndash, as you can see for pricing, the basic is 200 a year and you get one site and everything else is same. The plus is almost 400 and you get 10 sites. And for Pro, you have 800 per year, which is unlimited site license, and Cloud, as you can see, 25 to 83. Now, for Moodle, the LMS software is free and you get the software and community support. And if you want to get it on the cloud, it's from 120 to 1690 per year. And then Setup Wizard, you get it on Learndash, but you don't on Moodle. And then you don't get the drag and drop builder for Moodle or the front end builder, which you get on Learndash, and everything else is same, which is unlimited courses and things like that. Now for quizzes, again, all of the features are same. And for multiple questions types, as you can see, if you need surveys, then obviously Learndash, but if you need numericals, then Moodle. But you'll see the different types, 8 for Learndash and 15 plus for Moodle. Next up comes the built-in price, which is Stripe for Learndash, and Moodle has PayPal. And then revenue sharing is not available for Moodle but available for Learndash. Then it comes Razorpay integration, easy digital downloads, or restrict content pro. These things are not available for Moodle, but you get them on Learndash. Then some of the other features that auto attach certificate to email or QR verification for certificate is not available for Learndash, and these are some of the basics. Now it depends on which features you should go for. If you take my opinion, Learndash is the better option, but it depends if you need any other feature. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.